just stopped the video to take some pictures, and now I'm going to resume going down this set of escalators. Okay, that's a bit too dark, but basically the train that I'm trying to catch departs at 13 minutes past 7. Come to think of it, when I took the high-speed train here, it also arrived at an underground track. Yep, so I'm back down onto one of the underground platforms. And this is the train that we'll be catching to Copenhagen. So once again, here are the advertisements being played on the
Landskrona, Ängelholm med avgångstid 19:14 avgår från spår 4A. Observera spårändringen. Spår 4A.
Okay, that green light.
Pågatåg mot Lund, Landskrona, Ängelholm med avgångstid.
The green signal light that just started flashing.
Avgår från spår 4A. Observera spårändringen. Spår 4A.
Okay, yeah, now that the announcement has stopped, that green signal light just started flashing, so I assume the train will be arriving anytime soon. And I'm going to guess that the train will arrive from that direction. I'll stop recording and resume once the train starts to pull in to the station. Okay, the train is arriving. And yep, it is indeed arriving from that direction. So let's see what type of train this is. Okay, this isn't the red Danish one.